Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hey guys, it's Carol and welcome to episode 1 of the College Courses Explained series. For today's episode, pag-uusapan natin ang Bachelor of Science in Accountancy or BSA. This is actually the course that I personally took in college. So I am a graduate of BS Accountancy, so I'll also be sharing this based on my experience as someone who studied this course. BS Accountancy is a business course na focused on financial accounting, auditing, taxation, and understanding how businesses manage their money. In simple terms, this course teaches you paano mag-record ng transactions, how to analyze these transactions, gumawa ng mga financial statements, and to analyze and report financial information ng isang business. So kapag merong mga income, expenses, assets, liabilities, yung mga yan, ina-analyze yan ng mga accountants. If I explain it to you in a more practical way, accountants are the one who make sense of the numbers in a company. So sila yung mga nagme-make sure na nagfo-follow ng accounting standards and tax laws yung mga businesses. Basically, behind every business, malaki man yan or maliit, may accountants talaga na nagmamanage ng financial side nila. Now let's go to the subjects. So, from my experience, BSA is actually very heavy when it comes to studying. You will be required to read a lot of books, solve a lot of problems, and understand concepts deeply and not just memorize. Some of the major subjects include financial accounting and reporting, management accounting, auditing, taxation, business laws, cost accounting, financial management. So, ilan lang yan dun sa mga subjects na kukunin mo kapag ito yung course mo. There's still a lot of other subjects but those are the major. So, very technical siya and very detailed and kailangan talaga ng patience and consistency sa pag-aaral. Now, let's go to the career opportunities. So, right after graduation, a BS Accountancy student has the option to take the board exam and become a CPA or a Certified Public Accountant.